Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. We're gonna do a 5-minute shoulder workout. The 5 minutes starts when I start working out. This is just a quick intro. I know I don't usually talk in my videos anymore, but I think I'm gonna switch it up. I think I'm gonna switch it up here and there throughout July just to give you guys a little bit of energy, and I honestly like talking. Sometimes I just wanna hear myself talk. So let's get into the shoulder workout. We've got 3 movements and we're going to be doing this for 5 minutes. I'm gonna put a timer on just so we don't go over anymore. And I know you guys want me to shut up, so let's get to it. 5 minutes starting now. So we're gonna start with this exercise here. Take your arms out and then touch your shoulders. Also, shout out to everyone who's leaving comments on my videos, telling me what you want. So now I know you guys want more body weight exercises and less dumbbell workouts, because I thought you guys wanted dumbbell workouts for some reason. I was like, we're gonna go hard. And then you guys are like, can you slow down and like just do body weight? So we're gonna do some body weight this month, okay? It's hot girl summer. Speaking of hot girl summer, it is hot in my house. I'm sweating already. Okay. We're gonna try to do this for 1 minute. I can't see my timer. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now take your arms out in front of you and we're going to bring them in here. So same movement, we're just out in front. So what's been up, you guys? How's life? I don't know about you, but I can feel this. I honestly thought to myself, how much can we get done in 5 minutes? This is like not gonna be good, but I'm really feeling this already. I got so tanned on my birthday. I went to the beach with my sisters. Girl, I got so burnt. My boobs are like red. It's probably TMI, honestly. 2 and 1. Come out, we're gonna do a circle, raise it up. Circle, raise it up. So circles are together, arm raise, circle is together, arm raise. So yeah, I got so sunburnt. I usually don't get sunburn, you know. Italians, they don't really get sunburn. They just get brown or olive or whatever you want to say. But I got red and it hurt. My shoulder is starting to peel and I'm sad because I don't want to lose my tan. I don't normally lay in the sun at all. I'm like not about it because, you know, wrinkles. I don't care about cancer. I don't want wrinkles. So yeah. That's my little story to keep you entertained here. Oh man, I'm feeling this. This one's the good one right here. Keep those arms nice and level so that you can keep the resistance on them. I think I just did this arm. I can't remember. I can't remember. All right, let me check this. All right, and I think this was a minute, right? We started at 3. I don't know. We'll just stay here for another 30 seconds. And we're gonna just repeat the same exercises again for 30 seconds each. Once this gets to, 1 minute and 30 seconds, come back and we're gonna do touch again for 30 seconds on each exercise. Whew. I'm really feeling it. I hope you guys are having a good day. This is a short exercise, short but effective. If you guys like these shorter exercises, leave me a comment down below. Tell me more 5-minute workouts, more 10-minute workouts. If you want longer workouts, an hour long. I've been seeing some 60-minute workouts. If you guys want that, I can supply that. Okay, come to the front. Yeah, so let me know what you want in the comments. Also, you guys, July's workout calendar is available, so get it down below in the description. I've also been pinning it as the top comment on the page. So grab your workout calendar so you know what's in store for the month. And I made it so cute with the firecrackers because of Independence Day, 4th of July. You know how it goes. Let me just check. Last exercise, out and up. And up. And up. Oh yeah. I'm really feeling my shoulders, you guys. I didn't think this was gonna work. Actually, I did know it was gonna work, but usually I go for a lot, you know, more of a workout. But most of us don't have time. Okay, keep going, we're almost there. And we're good. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little shoulders workout. My shoulders are feeling nice. I hope yours are too. If they are, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, grab your July workout calendar in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.